With a coupe-inspired design, sleek and sophisticated lines, and a restyled front, the Toyota Camry was made to leave a lasting impression. And right now, you're looking at the first ever Camry Hybrid XSE grade. It combines the Camry's most fuel-efficient powertrain with the highest expression of sport and premium quality. As soon as you step foot inside, you'll notice the graceful, fluid interior lines create a sporty, driver-oriented cockpit, while the dash has been reimagined to provide both the driver and passenger with easy access to the center controls, offering improved visibility to the head unit display. The seats are distinctively shaped with available leather trim and contrast stitching. They're also placed lower, creating a generous amount of interior space. And for those cold Canadian winters, you can enjoy heated seats wrapped in sport fabric, along with available heated steering. XSE grades are exclusively available in two-tone with wind chill pearl or celestial silver metallic with a midnight black metallic roof combination. Plus, many more exciting color options to choose from. The wide array of choices and renowned Toyota quality are reasons why Camry continues to lead the way in the mid-size sedan category. The Toyota Camry comes loaded with tech features inside and out that will help keep you more connected than ever. It all starts inside with the push of a button. The Camry's push to start feature lets you start your car while your key fob stays tucked away in your pocket or purse. From there, you'll discover the new floating multimedia display. And if you look towards the screen, you'll be happy to know that both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on all Camry models. When your phone needs a charge, just set it down on the available Qi wireless charging station. If we go behind the wheel, you'll discover a TFT multi-information display. Here you'll find access to essential driving information and any potential alerts. You can manage vehicle settings from the steering wheel with hard tactile buttons. You can cycle through speed, distance to empty, average and current fuel economy, and if you're in a hybrid, you'll see the EV indicator on, off, and hybrid monitor. But not to be outdone by these incredible premium tech features is Toyota's Remote Connect, available on upgrade packages and models. With the Toyota app, you can control a series of vehicle functions from a distance, including engine start and stop, door lock and unlock, windows and moonroof status, and home to vehicle management where you can start your car, lock or unlock doors, check your fuel status and more using the Toyota Skill for your Amazon Alexa or the Toyota Action for your Google Assistant. If you prefer the latest in smart technology, you can use select Remote Connect features when the Toyota app is paired with a compatible Apple Watch or Android Wear device. When you combine the Toyota Camry's attractive coupe-inspired design with its performance abilities, you've got the complete package. The first ever Camry Hybrid to wear the XSE badge fuses elevated style with impressive performance. You can expect substantial power, high efficiency, and a low cost of operation. The Camry's hybrid powertrain is the most efficient and powerful offered since the Hybrid debuted. The system combines the output of a 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine with a pair of electric motors. While one motor is primarily used for propulsion, a secondary motor is optimized for hybrid battery charging, especially for recapturing braking energy. It delivers a combined total hybrid system output of 208 horsepower. What you'll find with the hybrid system is that you get a similar performance to the 4-cylinder gas version with significantly less fuel consumption. That means you won't have to compromise on fun to drive here. For a controlled driving experience, you'll have 3 different modes to select from. Sport mode improves throttle response so that you can really take advantage of the responsive, instant torque of the hybrid electric motor. Eco mode adjusts the throttle input to maximize efficiency. And EV mode prioritizes electric driving to reduce noise and emissions. Whether you choose gas or hybrid, all Camry models benefit from the rigid, structural foundation of the Toyota new global architecture platform. That means that all Camry models will drive with the same responsive handling and nimble steering around every corner.
close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do.